The Classroom of a Black Cat and a Witch release dates, exact premiere time and schedule. New episodes of The Classroom of a Black Cat and a Witch will release on Sundays at 7:30 a.m. Pacific Time, 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time on Crunchyroll. Episodes will be released with English subs. The Classroom of a Black Cat and a Witch is expected to feature 24 episodes in total across 2 continuous cours. Here are the release dates and schedule for The Classroom of a Black Cat and a Witch, subject to change. First cour. Episode 1, April 12th, out now. Episode 2, April 19th, out now. Episode 3, April 26th, out now. Episode 4, May 3rd, out now. Episode 5, May 10th, out now. Episode 6, May 17th, out now. Episode 7, May 24th, out now. Episode 8, May 31st. Episode 9, June 7th. Episode 10, June 14th. Episode 11, June 21st. Episode 12, June 28th. Second cour. Episode 13, July 5th. Episode 14, July 12th. Episode 15, July 19th. Episode 16, July 26th. Episode 17, August 2nd. Episode 18, August 9th. Episode 19, August 16th. Episode 20, August 23rd. Episode 21, August 30th. Episode 22, September 6th. Episode 23, September 13th. Episode 24, September 20th. New episodes of The Classroom of a Black Cat and a Witch will premiere at the following times, subject to change: Pacific Daylight Time, 7:30 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Mountain Daylight Time, 8:30 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Central Daylight Time, 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Eastern Daylight Time, 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Greenwich Mean Time, 2:30 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time.